Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi, so today we're at Silver Dollar City for the Bluegrass and BBQ Festival.
So come with us. Okay, so today we are going to go see a show, which is...
Rhonda Vincent and the Rage. She actually has a Grammy, so I think it'd be pretty cool to watch her.
Yep. So we're going to go see that, and we are also outside Hannah's Ice Cream Parlor, and you guys know us, we're foodies, and we are going to do another tasting passport of all the foods they have here for the barbecue. So we're going to go get that, and we're going to show you some of the foods that you can get here at the Bluegrass and BBQ Festival here at Silver Dollar City. So we're going to go in here, we're going to get that, and then we are going to head over to the Travelers Stop to get, what now? What were you?
It's a barbecue grilled cheese sandwich.
Okay.
I like that. It sounds fantastic.
It does sound pretty good. So we're going to get a barbecue grilled cheese sandwich. So does it have like brisket on it? Okay, so we will show you that when we get over there. So see you then. All right, we've made it to the Traveler's Stop where we are going to get the brisket grilled cheese. See you guys when we get it. All right, so we've got a brisket grilled cheese, and I know Ash is hungry, so she's gonna take a quick bite of it.
I'm gonna try to show the cheese here. It's just right in there.
It looks good.
It's a half of the sandwich too.
Well, they can see that.
Oh, good.
Is it? I'm gonna have to take a bite of that here in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, the portion was just half a sandwich for the tasting passport, and it's all right because you have 4 other options, and we're sharing it.
Yeah.
So like, maybe not enough food for 2 people, but for 1 person, that would be decent to go and get some more. Mm-hmm. But now we're gonna go over to Rhonda Vincent and watch her show. So we'll see you over there. All right, we've made it over here to the Opera House to watch Rhonda Vincent and the Rage. See you guys inside.
Good morning, everybody. Wow. Well, happy Mother's Day to you. Thanks for being with us. I don't think this is going to work. I may need some duct tape. Can you tell I've never worn this thing before? I thought I'd have a bow and say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. It's a girl. Could you tell, Hunter?
No.
All right. Let me try this. All right. Let's start this again. Can you say Rhonda Vincent and the Rage again? Make welcome Rhonda Vincent and the Rage, everybody! When troubles seem to overcome, there's a higher power. Don't be afraid to turn and run, there's a higher power. Amen, amen, there's a higher power. Amen, amen, there's a higher power.
So we just got out of Rhonda Vincent and the Rage, and she had a really good singing voice.
Yeah, I really liked it. She's just like, her voice is beautiful, so it's definitely, I hope that you like the clips, so.
Yeah, and her backup singer were good too,
yeah,
as well. And today's her last day, so you won't catch her at Silver Dollar City this year unless she comes back at another festival or something.
She's nominated for another Grammy.
She is nominated for a Grammy,
cool.
So that is really good. But if you do happen to see her in your guys' area at some point, that she's there, don't miss it, especially if you like bluegrass, because it's really good. So anyway, we are going to get going and find another thing for our tasting passport here, and we will let you know where we're headed here in a minute. So see you then. All right, so we made up our mind, and we are over here at the Lady Liberty Dining Pavilion, and We are going to get a barbecue fried chicken sandwich. All right, so here is the barbecue fried chicken sandwich.
And it's about the size of a little slider, honestly. But it's like chicken strips that's been doused in messy barbecue.
Oh boy, you better keep this over the top of you.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
It's good?
It's really messy though. I like the cheese, grilled cheese better.
Dean? Okay, I'm gonna try this thing. Oh my gosh.
It's really messy.
It is. Oh,
You like it?
Yes.
That might be all you. I'm not super crazy about it. I mean, it's good, but
You don't want any more of it?
I'll take a couple of bites and that'll be it for me.
Okay. That's good. I really like that. Okay, so that chicken sandwich was really good, I think.
The grilled cheese sandwich is still #1 for me right now.
Right now, that's #1 for me. And on the tasting passport, if you're sharing it, it comes with 2 strips. So if you can split that, I guess it was like a roll.
Like a little slider sandwich is what I remember.
Yeah, like little Hawaiian roll things
Yeah.
is what it seemed like. If you can split that in half and put it over the top of the chicken, you're fine. And it's not as messy as what it seemed like when we started. Because
That's true.
once we figured out to split the pieces of chicken, it was easier. So anyway, we are going to head where now?
So we're gonna go to the lumber camp skillets because we're gonna get a barbecue fajita chicken skillet baked potato. That's a long title.
That is a long title. And
But
then
I'm really excited.
I think after that we may go ride a ride or two. So anyway, we will see you when we get to the lumber camp skillets. See you there. Okay, so there's been some rumor about some construction going on just behind Fireman's Landing, and this is a pathway down to it. And if you look through the trees, you see there's a big, massive building getting built in the background. And I'm really hoping that it's a ride. I hope it's not another theater. I hope it's like an indoor ride. I think that would be really neat.
Especially in the Ozarks when it rains, that'll be nice.
It really will be.
Indoor rides.
And as we know, Disney and Universal have made strides on indoor rides. So maybe Silver Dollar City is getting one of those. That'd be really neat. But anyway, let us know in the comments what you guys think might be going in there. Or if you know, let us know. But anyway, we will see you at the Lumber Camp restaurant. See you there. Okay, we've made it to Lumber Camp Falls Skillets to get the barbecue chicken skillet baked potato. We'll show it to you when we get it. All right, so Ash has gotten the chicken barbecue fajita baked potato. This is a lot of food. My goodness.
The most we've gotten so far on the tasting.
It's got to be. All right, so we're gonna dig into this and we'll let you know how it is afterwards. Okay, so what do you think of the chicken fajita baked potato?
It was lacking. I thought there was gonna be queso cheese on it, so I thought this was gonna be great. And if it had been it, I think that would have been better, much better.
Okay. I'm not a big fan of potatoes like that, but that's all right. But it wasn't terrible. I didn't think it was bad.
Bang for your buck, honestly.
Yeah,
on the
that was a
tasting.
big bowl.
Yeah, because it's a whole big potato with stuff on top of it.
Yeah, and we're saying this like as like a one-person thing. That would be a lot of money, or not a lot of money, but a lot of food.
Yeah.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take off. We're going to go to ride. Get a little break in between different tastings and stuff. So we're going to go ride.
I'm get stopped too.
Are you? Yeah. So we have 2 more things on our tasting passport. So we're going to spread that out a little bit. We're going to go ride Fire in the Hole.
Yeah.
So see you over there. All right, so we made it to Fire in the Hole, and we're about to get on and ride this ride. Haven't been on in a while. Okay, so we learned something about Fire in the Hole. The last time we rode it, we were on the front 2 cars, and this time we were in the very, very back. And if you're looking for a bit of a thrill in the dark, sit back there.
Yeah.
Trust us.
It's a little bit rougher.
It is a little rougher, but worth it. Anyway, so we are going to head to the wagon wheel area. All the way up, there's the restaurant at the top of the hill. And we are going to go get Ash and I bacon mac and cheese
Cone.
in a cone. Like an ice cream cone
Yeah,
sort of
like
deal.
waffle cone.
Yep. So, we'll see how that is. Okay, so we've made it up here to the Wagon Works grill, not the Wagon Wheel grill. I apologize for that, but we are up here to get the bacon mac and cheese cone. So, see you when we get it. So, here is the bacon mac and cheese cone. I'm gonna let Ash
I don't know
get the first bite about it.
I'm not too, I don't know. Tastes like chicken. It's good.
It tastes like chicken, so it's good. All right, I'm gonna have to try some. Hang on.
I think you'll like the mac and cheese. But you're a mac and cheese connoisseur, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think you should eat it like an ice cream.
I don't feel like.
I want to try it.
Oh, she's gonna try it.
It's actually good.
I'm surprised you don't have it all over yourself right now.
It's good.
Good. All right. Well, we will see you when we get done eating it. That's a lot of food. A lot of food. All right. See you in a minute. All right. So we just had the bacon mac and cheese cone, and
I liked it. It's alright.
it was good. I liked it. I wasn't a big fan of the cone. I think if you get it, if they do this again, they should probably just put it in a bowl.
Like a bread bowl or something.
Yeah, a bread bowl would be
Yeah.
perfect.
I think that would be better.
Yeah, it would be 10 times better.
Just a tiny little bread bowl.
So we have one more stop on our tasting passport, and I think we're going to go to the Smokehouse Shacks, snacks or whatever, and get the chicken breast. It says Shacks.
There's like 3 different smokehouses like on there, so.
Yeah. So we're going to go get the chicken breast on a stick. So we will see you there. All right, we've made it to the Smokehouse Shacks, and we're gonna get us some grilled barbecue chicken thighs on a stick. And as you can hear in the background at the Dockside Theater, down by the riverside is still here and jamming out.
All right, we have made it over to get our chicken on a stick with barbecue sauce. It's gonna be a sweet sauce, and it looks like 2 chicken chunks. By the way, it's chicken thighs, so I feel like this is gonna be like moist, like good juicy meat, I'm hoping anyways. Maybe. I should get a knife. Whoops, I didn't think about that. Okay, and what are we thinking, Brady?
Let's find out. That's not bad.
Not bad? Yeah, you like it the best?
No, I still like that chicken sandwich.
All
Oh,
right.
it's really good. This is a close second. All right, so that finishes up our tasting passports. I really enjoyed it. It was good. It was good barbecue. All the food was good, actually, that we had. My favorite is definitely that chicken sandwich.
I'm gonna go with the grilled cheese, but the chicken that we just had on a stick was pretty good, honestly.
I think that's my second favorite.
Yeah.
The worst one for me was the baked potato one.
I didn't like your chicken sandwich. I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Oh man.
I felt like I could make it at home.
You really? I'd like to see you try that. I'd like to see her make that.
Challenge
You guys want me to film her trying to make that?
Recreate it.
We might do that. Might have to do that then. Anyway, so, and we also really liked, what was her name that we saw this morning? Rhonda Vincent.
Yes.
And The Rage. They were awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Highly recommend it. So, anyway, with that being said, you guys definitely do not need to miss out on this Bluegrass and BBQ Festival going on in Silver Dollar City. You have until May 30th, so get here while you can.
And I think entertainment's changing in and out. So you're not going to just catch one. So if you can come both weekends or,
Or sometime during the week if you're local. So, anyway, that being said, we're going to go ride some of these rides on our own, and just have a little bit of time with ourselves. So anyway, with that being said, don't forget that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures. So
with that, bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.